Okay, guys. I know My Little Pony isn't really my thing, but I know I've been wanting to get a chance to get the chance to meet more people and see more subscribers and more comments. Might even get the chance to make me some new friends. But this one's for all of you fans out there. In celebration of 2021, I'm gonna draw a Discord from My Little Pony. Friendship is magic. I know, because friendship is magic. Because it's true. Okay, guys, let's get started. So, anyways, Discord is a magical chimera. He's a holy being, pure of heart. And, well, he has the power to bend space at his will and even look into the past. He's magic and he uses his power for a force of good. He has the parts of multiple animals. Well, like a donkey, a moose, a ram, goat, whatever you name it. Alexa, lower volume. Okay. There's Discord's eyes. And, not to be a geek or anything, but he's a best friend of Fluttershy. And, well, he does a lot of stuff to make her laugh. He was even invited for a bros night out with Spike and Applejack's brother for a dude's night out. And, well, they made their made-up game. They brought it to life, and wow, it was awesome. They all became heroes. The best thing I've ever seen. Seeing men get together and get along, that's one of the best things ever. Right, Discord? Indeed, yes. Discord was seen as a hero in a lot of adventures. Definitely worth something to see. Ooh, the light's on. There's his tooth. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we go.
I know you're a special one.
As always, Discord is a special guest on my show. And we're recording at 8 a.m. in the night, 8 p.m. at dark. And believe me, it's really beautiful. Here's his beard. Beautiful. There we go. Discord. There's his chest. Here's Discord's lion palm. Ha, love you guys. Friendship is magic. And the best way he brought the family together was he brought the main six together, even though he brought 3 of the legendary warriors to life. Well, some of the enemies that they brought back. And, well, it made the bonds between the main 6 stronger. They're like the guardians of Equestria. Nothing's gonna stand in their way. save the world. For a magical being, he's actually a really nice guy. There's his wing. Here we go. Beautiful wings. Now we just draw the dragon's tail. Okay. There we go. Now we just draw the spikes on his tail. There we go. He's like a chimera. Alexa, what is a chimera?
The noun, chimera, can have a few meanings. 1. A mythological, fire-breathing monster, commonly represented with a lion's head, a goat's body, and a serpent's tail. 2. Any similarly grotesque monster having disparate parts, especially as depicted in decorative art. 3. A horrible or unreal creature of the imagination, a vain or idle fancy. 4. An organism composed of 2 or more genetically distinct tissues, as an organism that is partly male and partly female, or an artificially produced individual having tissues of several species.
And there he is, folks. The almighty and powerful and invincible Discord. Definitely one of my favorite My Little Pony characters. Oh yeah. Who's your favorite character of My Little Pony? Mine's definitely Discord. He made my show very popular. That's definitely one of my favorite characters. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be really excited on what character you guys want me to draw next. Please leave a comment below. And believe me, you guys are such a big help. Thank you. I love you all. Twilight Sparkle was right. Friendship is magic. Alright, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be very excited on what character you guys want me to draw next. In the meantime, KFA and Discord, we're signing off. And I can't wait to see Discord in my next video. See you guys, Stegosaurus. Discord, why don't you say it this time? Oh, okay. Stegosaurus, see you later.